Hi everyone, this is Farah. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I make videos on luxury, handbags, fashion, so if you love that kind of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Today's video is going to be my entire Longchamp handbag collection. I really have parted down a lot from my last collection video, which I'll have linked below. I had a lot of bags then, which I really enjoyed and enjoyed wearing at the time, but then I kind of find myself reaching for my holy grails, which I'll share with you in today's video. I have brought it down to just a few bags, and this video is also a little special because I do actually have an unboxing and reveal kind of mixed in. So I'm going to show you my tried and true from my collection before, a reveal that I've had but I haven't shared with you guys yet, and then an unboxing and kind of deciding which one I'm going to keep or both, which you'll see shortly. So let's dive right into it. So my most favorite Longchamp handbag, which will always be my number one like holy grail bag. I think honestly I have a lot of luxury handbags, but you know, contemporary luxury, but I think this bag is probably like my number one bag that I just would buy again over and over again. And so I will show you, this is my Longchamp Le Pliage bag. This is in a style that I do not believe they make anymore. It's like the no, that's not right. It's the Neo, I think. No, Longchamp Neo. I'm thinking Louis Vuitton saying Neo Noe, but this is it. This is just a black tote in the size large. The handles are also black. It's just like an amazing material. I have had this bag for definitely over 5 years, maybe even going close to 10 years. I'm not sure, but and I've worn it, you know, on the daily travel, everything. I mean, like corners, yes, there's wear, but they're perfect. I throw this in the laundry, and I love the black on black. I just love it so much. And the classic Longchamp, you know, opens up, and this material was like a thicker material. It just has 1 incher pocket. I think nowadays they're doing it with like 2 pockets. It's just a big black hole inside, but it's amazing. I mean, to the beach, to travel, to work. It's been through it all. It can be collapsible, folded up, washed, thrown in the laundry. But I just love this material, this thicker material. My other bags that I had prior that I've now sold, as you'll see in my old collection video, I did have some of the other larger totes, but they were like that newer or maybe classic thinner material, and it wasn't this thicker one. I just did not prefer it as much. And then now onto a reveal, which I've never shared with you guys, is my other remaining Longchamp bag in my collection, other than the unboxing I'm going to show you. So this is it, and it's dust bag. This is probably from like 1 or 2 years old now. I know, what a color, right? And this is another Longchamp bag. It's like, I forget what it's called. It's like a mini style. This one is actually leather with like this like gunmetal kind of hardware. And so it has a really amazing smell because it's just a leather bag. And the color is I go back and forth about whether I like this color or not. Sometimes, like, I love the size of it, but the color, I've always been a little hesitant, but now they don't make this anymore, so I couldn't even decide a different color if I wanted to. There was like a bright red or orange at the time that I thought about, but I just didn't get, and I kind of got this one. But let me show you the inside. This one has 2 little metal D-rings there because it has a strap and it's stuffed inside. So it comes with a strap here, and this is the inside. It's got 1 zip pocket there and then a slip pocket on the other side, and the lining is really nice. And this definitely does have that luxurious kind of feel to it. This is like a nice little colorful pop of color. I think it's just a really cute bag, and fits a ton, fits so much, and I just really liked the size of it, and I thought and you could do it crossbody. I thought it was just different from what I had before, you know. So my only 2 bags that I have are these. That's just like so crazy because I had so many before in my prior collection, but now all I have, let me close this up so it looks more presentable. These are it. A pink and a black, and I love this black one, and this one is just fun and different from Longchamp. And now on to the unboxings. I have 2 bags that I want to show you. Both I got recently from the Nordstrom sale. So you can kind of see them already, but I'll show them to you here and here. So I'll show the larger one first. So this is a large shoulder tote. The color is brick. And I just really like the color. And so this is your like classic tote. It comes, this is our packaging. It's not anything fancy, just a plastic packaging. This is it. It's always folded up like this when you get it. Open it up. And then it folds out. Some tissue paper. Open it up. And here is the inside. I like how it's kind of a contrasty color. And this one is nice because it's got two pockets, one here and one here. A little care tag, care booklet is in there. So I like that. It's got two pockets. Here. Yeah, super big, super roomy. And if I compare it to my black tote, which is also a size large, I mean, this is the difference. I love my black one. This color is so pretty. The color is what got me. So, yeah, this is this versus, you know, the black. I like the color. I do. And I mean, I know I'm going to like the size. It's just, this material is different. You can see like the thickness. I mean, mine is dirty, but you can see the difference maybe in the thickness. I don't know, you have to feel it, but it's a different material. And I think I like how this one is like black on black. I don't know, I'm gonna see. Let me unbox my other one that I got because I just love this color, but I wasn't sure if I need another tote because I love my black one so much. And I have like other, you know, summer beach totes and things like that. So I'm not sure, but I had to kind of try it out. So this one, and then my other unboxing comes in a very simple package. Again, it says Longchamp. Open it up. And here it is. This is the pouch that everybody has, I feel like I've seen it everywhere. Looks like this. If I snap it back up, it is called, oh, it's a cosmetic case. Le Pliage cosmetic case. I've seen it everywhere, and I know you can like convert it to a mini crossbody bag, like through converting straps on Amazon or something. But this is it. Oh, so cute. This is gold hardware, which I like. And oh, okay. I just realized, yeah, this one is also gold hardware. I definitely prefer gold hardware to the silver and gunmetal that I have. And if I open it, here it is. It's a little care booklet. It's just one pocket, kind of same color. And this is really, really cute together. Little mommy and baby. I like that. That's really like, I love the color. Now, I don't know if I want to keep both or keep one. I'm going to kind of put my things in later, test it out. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, knowing the other ones that I have. So now I've got this, which is very different. My tried and true, you know, like this is kind of all my bags now. Just kind of, you know, which one, what do I need, if anything, I don't know. This is the only 4 now. I mean, I remember in my last video I had so many more, so this like in comparison is so different. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think I should keep both of them? Just one? I love my black one, and I know I will use that more, but I do really like the color. This brick color is so pretty. Let me see. I show you guys. Oh, that's both really, really pretty. I don't know. This will be something that I have to decide, but yeah, let me know. And I know a lot of you guys love this case, and this case is different, of course, because I can use it inside my bag, and it's, of course, very different from the mini. If I show you this. If you want me to do like a more in-depth review, let me know. what fits. And this one fits my phone, and from what I saw online, I think this one will also fit a phone like kind of snug, just like essentials. And it's kind of like almost like a little handheld, you know, moment there. But or do I want to get another tote? I do love that color. Tough. But I can tell you the feel, like, I don't know if it's because I've worn this or this is just a different material, but the feel of this in my hands is so much nicer and more pliable with this. This is super stiff. Maybe it'll, you know, soften with time, but I'm not sure. So that is it, guys. That is my entire Longchamp collection, reveal, and unboxings. Let me know the brick colored tote versus a cosmetics case, which one you guys would recommend or keep, and I will look forward to reading that in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please hit subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.